Hey everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are learning different type of software, which is very useful to mechanical engineering. My voice is not looking good for recording. So, I am using Ivona voice software. In this channel, we are learning about AutoCAD, Creo, SolidWorks, Ansys. But we use different software depends on different purpose. The purposes of mechanical softwares are 2D drawing, drafting, 3D drawing, sheet plotting, analysis, simulation, animation. We are seen on by one. So, we starting from basic two-dimensional drawings. For 2D drawings, I suggesting the use of AutoCAD. I will meet in next video. I hope you are ready for it. Have a nice day.